EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Merchant here with your outlook for May 21st, 2019. Behind the cold front that moved through last evening with very little fanfare. We had a marginal risk that was up by the Storm Prediction Center. Really didn't materialize to too much across the region. Actually, no severe reports. We did have one severe thunderstorm warning down in southern Delaware, but that was about it, and very little lightning with any of the activity yesterday. So anyway, the cold front with that moved away, and we are now left with high pressure in its wake, and we'll have a very nice and refreshing day today. We'll be a breeze out of the northwest, 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts at 25, but it will be partly to mostly sunny today, and then mostly clear overnight tonight. Temperatures will take a step back from the mid to upper 80s that we saw over the last couple of days back down to reality, and we're in kind of 70, 72-ish today for highs. So a nice refreshing day today, and then Wednesday is going to be a partly cloudy day also. We're going to have temperatures increase a little bit, though. Temperatures are getting back up closer to the middle 70s in most locations, and again, a mix of clouds and sun. Now, Wednesday night, there's a chance for our southern areas, just a few showers moving through here, and there's not a real big deal here. I'm going to start this off. This is actually late evening on Wednesday evening, and going into the overnight, you can see just a few showers here across mainly our southern regions. The NAM is not thrilled. This is just probably just enough to wet the ground, and that's just about it. A little bit better of a chance to come in here on Thursday night with some scattered showers moving across the region. This is along a warm front on the outer periphery of a ridge that's going to move northward, and the global models are a little bit more thrilled with some of this activity. You can see this overnight here on Thursday night. So Thursday is partly cloudy to start, or we'll call it partly to mostly cloudy during the day. Okay, but dry during the day. It's just getting into the evening and overnight, you have an opportunity for a few showers to rotate through. That doesn't look like a big deal either for most areas. Then we get into Friday. This is the unofficial start of the holiday, 4-day holiday weekend if you're fortunate enough to have off on Friday. It starts off very nice. Temperatures are going to be closing in on the 80-degree mark. And we're on the outer periphery of a ridge. A very strong ridge over the southeastern United States is going to hang here for a couple days, and everything kind of goes up and over the top here. So we'll be in that influence of that ridge here with a warm front now off to our north, and we're expecting 80 degrees or thereabout for both Friday and Saturday for highs, and then maybe a little bit warmer here on Sunday. Now, there's a little bit of a difference again over the weekend. We talked about this in yesterday's video. How does the weekend evolve, and do we have some scattered thunderstorms to deal with? Well, there is a cold front that's going to be off to our north, and here's Saturday. Looks like it's going to be, and here's the cold front right here. I'm going to outline this for you. The cold front is actually sitting like this, so and the area low pressure that's driving it is up here. So all this activity is going to be far to the northwest of our region. Could get northeast PA late in the day here on Sunday, but I think areas elsewhere are pretty dry. And then the models are indicating that maybe Saturday night we have a few scattered showers and storms, and then that front is going to drop down to the south. Okay, so it's going to be, as we get late overnight Saturday night, the front's actually going to be down here like this. So it's going to come through the region and probably stall just to our south, according to this model anyway. That will keep Sunday dry, and all of this activity out here in the Ohio Valley will head down toward the D.C. area, a little bit away from our region. So we do expect Sunday, as of right now, Sunday to be dry. Now, this is this particular model. This has agreement with some others. Okay, so this is the consensus right now. There are models that are indicating something different, though. This is a different look here for late Sunday, and you have some scattered showers and perhaps thunderstorms late in the day on Sunday, and not so much on Saturday. So we'll have to see how this plays out. The GFS is still suggesting this right here, which is the frontal boundary moves to the south, but does move down to the south far enough, and you get some scattered showers that you're dealing with late in the day on Sunday. Not out of the question for that to happen. This is not the preferred solution right now. Taking a look at all the ensembles and European model, Canadian model, whatever you want to call it, are pretty much in line with this idea right here that we're going to be in the dry here all day on Sunday. So the chance for a thunderstorm for the interior, close our far northern parts of our coverage area, or northwestern parts here on Saturday, going back to that image. You can see that here, and then maybe getting across northeast PA during the evening on Saturday. I think that's your better chance. Saturday is still the better chance for scattered activity, scattered thunderstorms in the interior. And again, that's after dark, and then here is Sunday. Looks like it's dry. This kind of falls apart and goes away. So then Monday, Memorial Day Monday, is then dry with the front off to our south, and any activity staying off to the south with that frontal boundary. So if that's the way it plays out, this weekend's going to be great. You're going to have 80 to 85-ish just about every single day. Okay, and most areas are kind of like, Just picking one location out of here. We'll pick Philadelphia out of here. We have 82, 82, 87 on Sunday, starting from Friday. 82, 82 Friday, Saturday, and then 87 Sunday, 84 Monday. So just give you an idea of what kind of temperatures we're dealing with. You go a little bit further north, I think our east central Pennsylvania region, just take a few degrees off that. So 80, 80, 85, I want to say. I forget what I put there. But anyway, that just gives you an idea. 80, 80, 85, and maybe 82 on Monday. So it's a very warm stretch here over the weekend. That's not the issue. The issue is whether or not we're going to get any scattered thunderstorm activity and at which time. And right now it's favoring Saturday over Sunday. That is subject to change, of course, but we'll keep you updated throughout the week and get better timing as we move through the week. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is our outlook for May 21st, 2019. Have a great Tuesday.